What are the most popular and effective paint colors you can use to prepare your home for sale? This is Jennifer Lockwood. I'm your local realtor here in Fairfield County, Connecticut. And last week I did a video for sellers giving 5 steps that you should take in order to prepare your home for sale. And in those 5 steps, one of them is painting your home. It is the biggest bang for your buck. It costs you the least amount of money with the biggest impact. So I have gotten some response back from that video asking me, well, what colors would I choose? So that's what I'm here today to talk to you about. It's important to have your home prepared for that first 5 to 10 seconds a buyer sees it. You want it to have the biggest impact. You want your home to feel clean, crisp, and attractive to these prospective buyers. And the best way to do it is paint. So you also want it to feel current. You want people to walk in and feel like they could just move right in and not have to paint. And this is especially true in Fairfield County and with the market we're dealing with. You want your house to stand out. So the current trend is still gray and white. Yes, still gray and white. Neutral colors, you want it throughout the whole house. You want them to feel like it's a clean slate and this house could be theirs. So I'm going to share with you the most popular colors that I have used that have worked for me. I have worked with stagers and designers. They have given me their advice, and these are the ones that I use most consistently. I'm going to be talking about Benjamin Moore colors except for one, and there's only 6 that I'm going to give you, but just know, so Benjamin Moore, the OC colors is where I would stay. I'm going to show you the color wheel. So there's 139 OC colors. These are all neutral colors, and they all have different hues. So you can have a gray hue, there's beige, there's even pink and green and blue. So I'm going to just give you the ones that I stick with that are a little bit more traditional. So if you're looking for white walls, the first one I would recommend is OC17 Dove White. It is the most popular. It is not a stark white. It is warm and subtle. Great color. I use it often in a small room or a bathroom to give it a nice bright feeling. The second color is Silver Satin OC26. This color just has a slight gray hue to it. Great throughout the whole house. It's iridescent and versatile throughout your home. The second color is Classic Gray OC23. This is really popular with a lot of my my dog. It's really popular with a lot of my clients. As opposed to its name Classic Gray, to me it's more of a neutral gray. It has a little bit of a beige undertone and it's very versatile. It goes with so many different styles of furniture. And there goes my dog again. The third color I have used that I'm going to show you an example of is OC52 Gray Owl. This definitely has a blue-green undertone to it, but if you're looking for a color that you want to really brighten up a house that has gray in it, this is a great color. I used it at a listing last year, and I'll show you the before picture of the dining room. We took down the wallpaper and then painted the entire first floor in this gray owl, and it really brightened up the entire area. This home also had an open floor plan, so it worked really well with that style. And then one of my favorites is OC28 Collinwood. This color is a grayish. Yes, that is a color. They're mixing in a little bit more beige with the gray to give it a very warm feeling. There is no hint of blue or green in this color, and it worked well in this home because it was an older home, so you needed a little bit more warmth throughout the home. And then the last color, I'm going off the beaten path a little, is Pharaoh and Ball. It is Pearl number 203. What's great about this color is it's sophisticated and rich. It has a little bit of a yellow tone to it, and it really is pearl when you look at it. But I did a listing last year in this color, and the buyers that came in always wanted to know the color, and that's how you know it worked well. Also remember to paint your baseboard and your trim. They are the most weathered and scuffed up. If you're looking for a paint color for trim, I would go with Simply White. It's not a stark white. It has a little bit of a warm tone to it, but no color at all. It's not yellow, and it is definitely white. There are a lot of white options, but that's one I would go with. And also, if you're looking for what type of finish, I would paint in the flat or matte finish. And the reason for that is that because it's smooth and soft and subtle, and it absorbs all the light. There's no sheen to it. And if you have imperfections in your wall, it will hide all of that. So I hope you found this information helpful. Put in the comments below what colors you have used that have worked for you. And I will also leave the link below to my video on the top 5 key items you need to prepare your home for sale. Good luck with your selling adventure, and if you need any other information, just click on my link below, and I hope you have a great day. See you next time.